Hello everyone, today I will show you how to play music on Telegram voice chat. And here's how it is done. First of all, open Telegram. Once you are here, go to the group and find the VCS music board. Click on it. Here, you have to click the arrow and give a group name, like music. You can write whatever you want. Now click on this hash button. Here, you have to write the message, and the message is italicized. Start the VCS music board you wrote recently, and now send it. Here, you have to write another italic message for the C player. Mon Naughty. Once you type it, go to your profile and add editing. Here, go to admins and click on additional admin. Once you are here, you have to add the VCS admin music panel and turn on this option, like add new admin. Now go back and here you have to again and here you have to again, and here you have to again type a message, which is /c play monody. Once you add the message, go to your profile and click on these three bars to start a video chat. Now you can add a music collection and start your video chat. And that is everything you need to know about how to play music on Telegram voice chat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.